Hey guys, it's Wolf here, back with another video. In this video, I will show you step by step how to cash out on any cryptocurrency on any exchange. Okay, so this is going to be very valuable video, so be sure to watch this whole video and follow step by step. Okay, so first I want to get clear. It doesn't matter what exchange you are using. You could be using Bitrue, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin. It doesn't matter. And the next thing is that most of these exchanges you can't withdraw straight up to your bank account because your bank account is not linked on these accounts. So what you want to do is you want to use Uphold. Uphold is a very good service, and you can link your bank to your Uphold account, which means that when you sell your cryptocurrency on Uphold, you can straight up sell the euros and withdraw them to your bank account. Okay, so that's how you can do it. So the first step is go to Uphold and sign up, because we're going to use Uphold on this tutorial. Okay, after you have signed up on Uphold, here's what you want to do. You can see that Uphold has Bitcoin, Euros, USD, XAU, XRP, or these other currencies here, for example BAT. But what we are going to focus today is XRP. Okay, because XRP is very fast to transact. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to your exchange where you have your cryptocurrencies. One of my viewers asked for me to do this tutorial, and he asked especially for VeChain. So I mean, this video I will show you step by step how to sell VeChain and then get that into your bank account. Okay, so let's go. You can use this for any cryptocurrency at all. It doesn't matter. You can sell anything and you can withdraw anything to your bank account. And here's how you do it. Okay, so first you go to your wallet that you want to withdraw your cryptocurrency. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to trade that cryptocurrency into XRP, then send that XRP into your Uphold account, and then in that Uphold account we are going to sell that XRP into your native currency, and then you can withdraw that your euros or USD, whatever you want to withdraw. You can withdraw that straight to your bank account on Uphold. So that's what we are going to do here. Okay. And to do that, we are going to go to your exchange where your cryptocurrencies are. But first, go and sign up on Uphold. After that, go to whatever cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I'm using in this tutorial, I'm going to use Binance. So let's say that I have some VeChain here, and I want to cash out on that VeChain. What I want to do first is trade that into XRP and then send it to Uphold so I can sell it to my native currency. So let's go here and type in VeChain, and like you can see, VeChain doesn't have XRP pairing, so I can't trade VeChain straight up to XRP. So what I want to do first is I want to check out what XRP pairs there are. Okay, so XRP has USDT pairing, and I can sell my VeChain for USDT. So I'm going to now click VET USD and sell my VeChain first to USD. So I'm going to market sell VeChain to USD. Select how much you want to sell and click sell VET. Now it will automatically sell the VeChain tokens and I will have USD. Then I click XRP here and buy XRP with that USD. So I click that pairing and click buy XRP, and then I just buy XRP, and boom, I market bots on XRP. Now the XRP will show up right here on your wallet. Now it doesn't matter, I just showed you how to do it on Binance, but you can do it on any cryptocurrency exchange. All you want to do is sell your cryptocurrency to XRP. That's the point here. You want to sell your cryptocurrency to XRP. And now imagine that I have the XRP right here. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go to Uphold, click XRP account, click add funds, click with cryptocurrency or utility token, and from here go to XRP, and here's the XRP address. It will automatically generate XRP address for you. So I want to withdraw this XRP that I just bought. I traded my VeChain for XRP. I want to trade that into my Uphold account. So now I just copy the address here, search coin here and type in XRP and withdraw my XRP to Uphold. Okay, click withdraw, then put the address here, then click here and also put the destination tag. It's very important. You have to do that also, and then just select how much XRP you want to withdraw and then click submit, and then it will On Binance, it will withdraw your XRP into your Uphold account. Okay, then the XRP will show up on your Uphold account. Now, after that, when you come to wallet.uphold, okay, here you can sell your cryptocurrency straight up to your own currency. So what you want to do is you want to come here and select XRP account, okay, because this is where you just send your, you withdraw your XRP to your Uphold XRP account. Now just select XRP account, select what currency you want to sell it for. You could sell it for different currencies. Just pick your currency, your native currency. For example, if you live in USD, you can just come here and pick USD dollars, or I live in Europe, so I'm going to put euros here. And then all I have to do is click preview trade, and then it will sell. You can it will take you to the process, and you can sell the XRP into euros. Okay, and then you will have the euros, and you can withdraw that straight up to your bank account, because you can when you sign up on Uphold, you can link your bank account on Uphold, and it's very easy. So that's how you do it. Okay, that's very step by step. And I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any problems with this method, just comment down below. I'm here to help you. Okay, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please guys, also remember to subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials on my channel, and I'm creating cryptocurrency videos every single day. News, price predictions, tutorials like these, very helpful cryptocurrency videos. And also, if you are struggling on how to like sell your cryptocurrencies, you don't know how to trade them. So you can actually, you don't know how to trade your cryptocurrency into XRP and then withdraw it to Uphold. No problems, guys. I have videos on those also. For example, for Binance, I have videos on how to buy and sell, and how to. I have also like how to sell, like how to use Binance tutorials. I have how to use BitTrue tutorials. So if, for example, like, yeah, you can go watch those on my channel, and you can find very like many videos on how to sell cryptocurrency. So there's no excuse. You can learn that skill very easily on YouTube. Just go watch a bunch of videos like this. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. It's very easy to cash out. There's a couple of steps here. Of course, there's many ways to cash out. This is just the way that I have used, that I'm using a very similar way. Just what I do is I sell the cryptocurrencies that I want to cash out the XRP, then I send the XRP to service like Uphold, and then I sell it there, and then I cash out there. So that's how I do. Usually on it takes like 3 days for you to see the money on your bank account. 3 weekdays, not weekends. Okay, the money doesn't move on weekends, which is crazy stupid. And the technology is going to catch up for that. For example, XRP. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Also subscribe, yeah, and like this video. That would help me so much. And see you soon, guys.